An exhibition of celebrity heads made out of sushi has gone on display. Food artist Michelle Wibowo from Haywards Heath, West Sussex, spent 120 hours creating a series of portraits of well-known Brits. Her work includes singers Elton John and Ed Sheeran and England footballers Harry Kane and Bukayo Saka. Ms. Wibowo said she hoped people find the portraits as hilarious as I do. All of the creations were made out of authentic Japanese sushi ingredients such as sushi rice, smoked salmon and pickled ginger. Each work of art measured 18 centimeters tall and 10 centimeters wide, about the size of a grapefruit. Ms. Wibowo said, "I'm used to creating sculptures from unconventional materials, but working with sushi ingredients was a whole other kettle of fish." It was really fascinating to see how many ingredients there are for making sushi and how these can be used to create intricate details for the face and hair. The artist made the headlines previously with her sugar models of Queen Elizabeth II, Prince William and Hogwarts Castle, from the Harry Potter stories. The one-day exhibition took place at Castle Art Gallery in London to mark International Sushi Day. Ms. Wibowo created the sculptures with the help of Yutaka, a Japanese food brand which provided the ingredients. Alison Hammond, Dermot O'Leary, Lorraine Kelly, and Benedict Cumberbatch heads were created out of sushi. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.